There are more than 1 million features that can't be charged because the charger is broken and a fault code pops up as soon as the charging gun is plugged in. Don't spend more than $10,000 to get a new charger, so it can activate the Blue brand features. It's not bad at all, but this camera can really repair Mao Ze's car. Open it from the trunk. That's why the camera of Mao Ze's car is so big. There are 3 zero-movement versions. Replacing them with new ones costs more than 10,000 yuan. It's too expensive. Let's go outside and measure them. These two most blocks have been broken. The normal tube voltage is 0.3, which is good. But the middle one is broken. We need to disassemble and repair it, suck out the solder joints, and remove the circuit board. Replace the broken Mose tube with 2 new ones. The resistor is also burned out. Remove it and replace it with a new one. Put the circuit board back together. This driver chip is also broken. Remove it and replace it with a new one. Restore the charger circuit board. The charger has been repaired. Put it back in and try again. After disassembling the gun and trying it, it can be charged normally. After repairing the mod-added charger, it saved the car a lot of money. The high manpower capacity allows you to save money. More viewers help you understand electric cars better.